of the first quarter of the ball. Nakuha ni Vegan. Pass to Gonzalo. Gonzalo, good for 3 points. Gonzalo. Leandro, pass to just number 32. Bago Leandro, pass to Reynacha. Reynacha sa 3. Good, nakuha ni Thompson. Foul. Vega, first personal foul. First free throw. To Vega. Nakuha Thompson. Pass to Leandro. 18 seconds to shoot. Lopez. Foul, Gonzalo. As first one right ball, Gonzalo. First personal foul, second team foul. Bubukol na si Robert, kaya na.
Utangin mo, malis ka na lang yan.
Shot clock 17, bawat by Leandro.
Gagit bulat, agad kita.
Inbound by Vega, pass to Gonzalo, pass to Sarate. No good, nakuha ni Gonzalo again. Gonzalo, foul. Gomez, first personal foul, first team foul. Last 4 minutes. Inbound by Reynacha, pass to Gomez. Same ball. Nasipag sa Ludas. Turnover.
Nating kalabo.
Nating kakampiyan rin. Nating kakampiyan. Godilaw, kausan si Mama.
Basta pala sa ang bola. Dati sa kampi nila. Lopez. Vega, pass to Salhudes. Salhudes. Leandro. Batista, time to shoot. Leandro, pass to Lopez. Pass to Thompson. Thompson, 35. Thompson. Involved by Barrero. Pass to Vega. Last 15 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. Vega, pass to Salhudes. Back to Vega, pass to Gonzalo. 18 seconds to shoot. Pass to Salhudes. Salhudes, no good. Nakuha ni Sarate. Traveling violation committed by Sarate.
Masag ka. Wala, masag ka.
No good. Nakuha Salhudes. 18 seconds to shoot. Salhudes to Vega. Vega sa press. No good. Nakuha Thompson. Pass to Leandro. Reaño to Lopez. 18 seconds to Lopez. Good for Samson. Good from Berger. Berger for Saludes. 15 seconds to shoot Saludes. Foul. Reaño. First personal foul. Second team foul. Last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Saludes. Good for 1 point, Saludes. The third sub. No good, nobody Gomez. Pass to Reinacho. Last 2 minutes and 18 seconds to Reinacho. Reinacho pass to Thompson. Thompson pass to Gomez. Good, 1-2 point. Gomez. Welcome. 18 seconds shoot. Last 2 minutes. Third over. Sabre. Partner out.
Sige, laog. Sorry ma'am po, ikaw na kayo.
Okay na.
Reaño. Pass to Lopez. Good. Reaño again. Reaño 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to Lopez. Good. 1. Involved by Salate. Pass to Saludes. That's 1 minute and 35 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Good for 2 points. Liamado. Involved by Samson. Pass through. Shot 15. Gomez Andres. No, Saludes.
Ay, ano kay Samson?
Samson. Last 15 seconds. Samson. Saludes. Foul. First personal foul. Third team foul. Last 16 seconds. Samson. In the middle line. No good, Gomez. Foul. Liamado first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Gomez for last one. Turnover. Last 52 seconds. Saludes. Pass to Gonzalo. Gonzalo sa trip. No good. Nakuha ni Reaño. Last 40 seconds. Reaño by Gonzalo. 18 seconds to shoot to Gomez. Foul. Liamado. Second personal foul. Penalty. Good for 1 point for Gomez. Gomez for last 34 seconds. Involved by Liamado. Pass to Saludes. Last 30 seconds. Saludes pass to Berger. 15 seconds to shoot. Berger. Good for 2 points. Berger. Involved by Reinacho. Last 18 seconds to Reaño. Lopez. Good. For 2 points. Lopez has 9 seconds. Bago na lang. Good for 2 points. Leah Mayo. And off the bottom. Running score at end of the first quarter. Beginning of the second quarter of the ballgame. Running score 13-10. They were off basketball now.
Bis ka na ni Mama, balik ka na daw.
Balik ka na daw. Bis ka na ni Mama.
Babalik daw siya.
Inbound by Reynancia. Pass to Mas.
Lopez yan, Lopez. Ayan, yung pala natin. Ayan, yung.
Point. Reynancia. Inbound by Sarate.
Baludes, dribbling na ball. Pasukan ka. Kapag nag-pasa ka, papasok ka Baludes lang 10 seconds. Pumukul sa 3, no good. Nakuha ni Abunyo. Abunyo, paso ni Ayo. Si Ayo nasa kay Lopez. Lopez, Lopez. Si Ayo, no good foul. Foul, no. Mas ka na yung mama.
Bawal pala. Ayop Kandoy! Malas Kandoy!
Personal foul. First in foul. Good for 1 point for Lopez. Pagkatapos ng threat, foul. Lopez for his last two. Complete shot for Lopez. Save ball. 19 shot lang. Pass to Parnero. Traveling violation committed by Parnero. Inbound by Basaya. Pass to Lihanyo. 18 seconds to shoot Lihanyo. Pass to Masina. 14 seconds to shoot back to Lihanyo. Lihanyo pass to Nagawad Sarate to Gonzalo. Gonzalo. Good for 2 points. Gonzalo last 4 minutes. Pass to Reynancia. Pass to Lihanyo. 18 seconds to shoot. Gonzalo. Second personal foul. Second team. Asalante. First personal foul. Second team foul. No good Reynancia. Nakuha niya PJ. PJ number 30. Vega. No good. Nakuha ni Masinas. 14 shot clock. Masinas to Parnero. Parnero. Good. For 2 points. Parnero inbound by Gomez to Reynancia. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds to Lopez. 18 seconds to Lopez. No good. Nakuha ni Masinas to Vega. Good for 2 points. Vega. Reynancia. No good.
Volleyball ka na lang, kapon mo!
Wait down. Time out. Resumption of the second quarter of the ballgame. Last 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Inbound by Sarate. Pass to Vega. 18 seconds to shoot. To Parnero to Masinas. Nakakuha ni Reynancia. Pass to Masinas to Lopez. Back to Masinas. Masinas. Save ball.
Mag-pull down. Mag-pull down.
Inbound by Samson. To Lopez. Lopez on 3. nakuha ni Masinas to Vega. Vega pass to Gonzalo, mataas ng bola. Kaya po, turnover. Lopez out, Lianyo in. Inbound by Masinas, pass to Lianyo, back to Masinas. Masinas, 18 seconds to shoot. Back to Lianyo. Shot clock 14, Lianyo, good for 2 points, Lianyo. Last 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Inbound by Masinas. Vega, pass to Gonzalo, pass to Masinas. Sarate no good. Masinas, foul. Basea, first personal foul, second team foul. Masinas for his first throw. Last 2 minutes and 3 seconds. No good. Masinas for his last throw. Good for 1 point for Masinas. Involved by Samson. Pass to Lianyo, pass to Reynancia. Reynancia back to Lianyo, Lianyo sa press. Good, nakuha ni Parlero. Nakuha ni Samson. Good, nakuha ni Parlero. Parlero nakuha ni the first 5 seconds. Lianyo, foul. Masinas first personal foul, third team foul. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. Lianyo for his first throw. Good for 1 point for Lianyo. Good, nakuha ni Sarate. Pass to Parlero. Pass to Vega. 15 seconds to shoot Vega. Same ball. Last 1 minute and 31 seconds. Inbound by Parlero. Pass to Vega. 18 seconds to shoot Vega. Aras by Lianyo. Vega pass to Parlero. Parlero. Good. Nakuha ni Lianyo. Lianyo to Masinas. Masinas. Good. Nakuha ni Lianyo. Lianyo. Good for 2 points. Lianyo. Good. Nakuha ni Basea. Pass to Lianyo. Last 15 seconds. Lianyo. Good. Nakuha ni Samson. Foul. Gonzalo, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Parlero out. Amado in. Last 53 seconds. Shot clock 10. Reynancia, good for 3 points. Reynancia, inbound by Masinas. Pass to Vega. Last 35 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot to Masinas. Masinas pass to. Ito na. Nakuha ni Reynancia. Pass to Lianyo. Pass to Masinas. Good. Reynancia, good for 2 points. Reynancia, last 15 seconds. Pass to Gonzalo, last 10. No good. Turnover, last 6 seconds. Pass to Masinas. Buzzer na lang. Beginning of the third quarter of the ball game. Running score 27-17. Basketball Leros. Robinson sa Klipo.
Bakal na yung shot. Ayak.
Serve to Vegas. Same ball. Inbound by Vega. No good. Nakuha ni Lopez. Pass to Masinas. Masinas. Good for 2 points. Masinas. Masinas. 18 seconds to shoot. Turnover. Involved by Lopez. Pass to Samson. Back to Lopez. Pass to Liano. 18 seconds to shoot Liano. Pass to Gomez. Good for 2 points. Gomez. Vega. Pass to Masinas. 15 seconds to shoot Masinas. Foul, Gomez. Gomez, second personal foul, first team foul. Second to shoot, Vega. Pass to Masinas. 5 second to shoot, Masinas. Good for 2 points. Masinas yun.
Saludis yun.
15 seconds to shoot. Riaño. Saludes foul. Saludes first personal foul. First team foul. Riaño. Riaño sa press. No pag-good. Foul, Masinas. Masinas, first personal foul, second team foul. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Good for 2 points. Yes. Gomez. Last 18 seconds to shoot. Last 3 minutes. No good. No Gomez. Foul. Liamado. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Gomez for his person. No good. Gomez for his last one. Last 2 minutes and 54 seconds. No good. Napan Samson. Foul. Liamado. Warning for fall down. Third team foul. Again, laog. Sabret. No good, nakuha ni Saludes. Pass to Vega, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Masinas, pass to foul, Samson, first personal foul, third team foul. Last 2 minutes and 34 seconds. No good. Masinas first last throw. Good for 1 point for Masinas. Inbound by Gomez. Pass to Lopez. Back to Gomez. Foul. Last hitter. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Inbound by Samson. Pass to Hanyo. Same ball. Pass to Hanyo. Pass to Gomez. 8 seconds to shoot. Gomez no good. Nakuha ni Masinas to Gomez. Gomez. Turn over. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Pass to shot clock 14. Back up. Pass to Saludes. 10 seconds to shoot. The serve out. No good. Nakuha ni last hitter. Good for 2 points. Last hitter. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. Inbound by Gomez. Pass to Masinas. Pass to Lopez. Foul. Saludes. Ay, Masinas. Masinas, second personal foul, penalty situation. Sabrat. Masinas out. Sige, maglawag ang malaog, magluwas ang maluwas. Samson, pass to Lopez. Lopez. Pass to Gomez. Gomez at rest. No good. Naman ni Samson. Nabutas na bola na po ni Samson again. Samson. Red lang. Number 5. Sarah. First personal foul. Penalty situation.
Ay, nasusot ka nga. Lukay ka kasi, huwag rin ka dyan. Oo, nasusupog nga naman tara. Mahala si Jan, din nakatitig.
Good for 1 point for Samson. Complete shot para kay Samson. Inbound by Sarada. Pass to Vega. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Pass to Saludes. Good for 2 points. Basaya to Lopez. Pass to Lehanyo. 3 seconds violation. Last 48 seconds.
Putang ina mo. Jambo. Huwag na ilang kapal niya.
Vega.
Makamot yan.
Saludes. Good for 3 points. Saludes. Jersey number 2. Last 30 seconds. Lehanyo. 1 Samson. Traveling violation committed by Samson. Last 26 seconds for the end of the 3rd quarter. Next game, Junior Division, Team J versus Rosetta. Vega. No good. Nakuha Samson. Pass for Ignacio. Last 15 seconds.
doon nalalaman ko, madagdag ako sa lita ko. Di ba nung tugang mo, mapay ka ito? Yan mo yung kaya.
Laglag na yan, laglag na.
Basket. Samson, good for 2 points. Jersey number?
28.
Very well, first personal foul penalty situation. Last 8 seconds. Samson for his first. Good for 1 point for Samson. Last 5 seconds. Saluden. Buzzer na lang. And of the third quarter.
Beginning the fourth and last quarter of the ball inbound by Renacha pass to Samson. Samson naras by number 20. Same ball. Inbound by Samson. Pass to Lianyo. Tumiran, no good. Nakuha ulit ni Samson. Nakuha ng kalaban, nakuha ni Vega. Vega nagpapadali. Vega, no good. Nakuha number 14, no good. Rebound by Samson. Carrying the ball. Pass to Saludes. Saludes tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Reinacha. Reinacha at by number 14. Reinacha pass to Lianyo. Lianyo pass to Gomez. Gomez pinale. Good for 2 points. Gomez. Vega paras by Reinacha Lianyo. Vega umikot. Bitawan ang bola. Nakuha ni Lianyo. Pass to Gomez. Gomez to Reinacha. Tumira ng 3. No good. No good again. Last 12 seconds to shoot. No good. Loose ball. Last 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Saludes. Now dribbling the ball. Saludes pass to number 14. Tumira, no good. Rebound. Foul. Basket. Samson. Samson second. Gomez pala. Sorry. Gomez, third personal foul. Second team, first team foul. Ball shot, no good. Nakuha ni Saludes. Saludes jump, no good. Rebound by Samson. Pass to Lianyo. Lianyo to Reinacha. Reinacha, no good.
Oy, Zico!
Pass to Gonzalo. Gonzalo to Vega. Vega, no good. Foul, number Samson.
Zico ang kapayo kayo.
Second person foul, second.
Pinulit niya pa eh. Siniko niya pa ulit doon. Uy, ano makakalabasig niya?
Vega on the free throw line. First shot.
Dapat
Good
ka,
for 1
pinupot
point.
ka ng usay.
Second last throw by Vega.
Awat lang ha.
Jumpers ready.
Oo nga.
Complete 2 points. Samson to Reinacha. Last 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Reinacha harus by Vega. Reinacha.
Yan na lang.
Nakuha ni Parlero. Pass to Gonzalo. Tumira 3 points. 36-39. Basketballeros. Rebound by Gagawan. Same ball.
Sino ang laman?
Rebound by Samson. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Samson. To Lianyo. Lianyo, pass to Renacia. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha ni Parlero. Pass to Saludes. To Vega. Vega. Boundary. Vega umikot. Pinasa kay Parlero. Ay kay Gonzalo. Gonzalo. No good. Rebound by Samson. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. No good. Rebound by Saludes. To Gonzalo. Aras Berena siya. Pass to Vega. Vega to Parlero. No good. Parlero again. Good for 2 points. 38-39. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng basketballeros. Time out. Basketballeros. Basketball. Pass to Renacia. Renacia. Aras Vega. Pass to Samson. Samson to Lopez. Lopez in atake. No good. Nakuha ni Saludes. Pass to Vega. There's 1 minute and 56 seconds. Vega aras by Masinas. Vega pass to Saludes. Saludes umira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Lianyo. Lianyo to Lopez. Back to Lianyo. Lianyo. Nabitaw ng balas. Swing ball. Just 1 minute and 40 seconds. Samson to Lopez. Jump. No good. Rebound by Saludes. Saludes. Same ball.
Basta si Achang.
Check ball. Rebound by Saludes. To Gonzalo. Gonzalo to Vega. Vega to Saludes. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Vega. 10 seconds to shoot. Vega umikot. Vega lumusot. No good. Rebound by Samson. Samson pass to Lianyo. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Lianyo to Lopez. Lopez ang atake. No good. Rebound by Saludes. Foul. Jersey number 32. Lopez. Last 1 minute and 3 seconds. First personal foul. Third team foul. Gonzalo to Vega. Vega. Vega nangapatay. Pass to Parlero. Parlero. No good. Loose ball. Last 54 seconds. Ball kay Lopez. Lopez to Masinas. Masinas back to Lopez. Lopez to Lianyo, nakawala. Lopez ay Lianyo, good for 2 points. Lianyo. 38-41. Last 42 seconds. Vega. Aras by Lopez. Umikot. Vega, no good. Nakuha ni pass to Lianyo. Lianyo, Lizard. Good for 2 points. Lianyo. 38-43. Basketballeros. Saludes. Last 20 seconds. Vega, jump. Nakuha ni Renacia. Last 12 seconds. Good for 2 points. Time out.
Champion na, champion.
Involved by number 14, pass to Vega. Vega, pass to Gonzalo, tumira 3. 3 points. Gonzalo. Nakawal si Gonzalo to Vega. End of the 4th quarter Island ball game. Winner